It's day 24 of the Advent calendar, the last day, and we're talking about Nero D'Avola, of course, another grape from Italy. Hey, I was glad that the good folks at Google in the random selector chose Nero D'Avola in the selection of the 24 grapes. So I was able to. I figured it'd be a fitting end to this Advent calendar and a fitting end to the season. I think Nero D'Avola would be perfect on your Christmas Eve table, your Christmas table. But what is it? What is it? Let's talk about it first. Even though we've talked about it quite a bit on this channel, but if you're new here, actually, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Give me a little early Christmas gift. I would really appreciate it. It means so much to me because 92.73% of you who are watching are not subscribed. Nero D'Avola, red wine, medium to full body, medium tannin, and medium acid. What that means is friendly. Black in fruit profile, black cherries, blackberries, plums, blueberries, licorice note. If you get one of the wines that have a licorice note, it's a real nice touch. Neros they're native to Sicily and more or less grown exclusively there. I'll have to double check, but I haven't seen Nero D'Avola produced anywhere else other than Italy and other than in Sicily. The wine we're talking about today is the Colosi Nero D'Avola this one is 2022. This is our house red here in the Sarah home. It's just a really delicious wine, really easy to drink, sometimes a little too easy to drink. In this case, this is the DOC wine from Sicily, and a worthy pickup. And you're going to find these wines for under $20, a lot of Neros for under $20, this one included. Until Sicily, gets more of a reputation as a real great place for wine production, you're going to have great opportunities to buy delicious wines at an under the market price. I'd like to wish everybody happy holidays. This is coming out on Christmas Eve. I hope if you celebrate, have a nice Christmas, Merry Christmas tomorrow. And also I believe Hanukkah starts tomorrow. So if you are celebrating Hanukkah, enjoy this rare occasion where I think Christmas and Hanukkah are happening right at the same time. I don't know, just be nice to each other, enjoy the holiday season, enjoy your family and friends, and I will talk to you soon.